Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to carry on my discussion about the Sniperoo app. In my previous videos, I was covering how to set this up, how to add extension, how to start trading on Axiom Pro, how to use different functionalities. But in a nutshell, I just want to remind you that if you decided to use the link I will be placing down inside the description of this video, you will receive additional 5% discount on all your fees, which Sniperoo will be charging you. Okay, so Sniperoo is quite cheap in comparison to other platforms. They actually charging 0.9 percentage point per transaction. As far as I understand, I think that's all what they charging at the moment, where in comparison, some other platforms, they start charging customers starting from 1%, even all the way to 1.5% per transaction. Okay, this is per transaction fee on the Sniperoo. Okay, it's only for Sniperoo fees, right? I'm not talking about the gas fees or anything like that. It's just for the platform fees. However, if you use the link below, you will get additional 5% discount, which basically means that you'll be paying just about I think 0.84 percentage points, something like that. Which is really cheap when in comparison to other platforms on the market. Plus, the Sniperoo is very quick. Okay, so this is one of the fastest trading platforms out there available for any traders. Okay, so I think that, guys, there is no brainer that this is first of all, it's worth it because it's so cheap to use this bot, and we all know that those transaction fees can add up. And the second of all, it's very fast, right? So okay, so now. As I said, like, what if you decided to click the link below, you'll be redirected to the bot. Okay, this bot is on the Telegram, and if you click on it, okay, you will be going in. You will log in through your Telegram. You can also log in through your Gmail address. However, I do that through Telegram, and I think it's handy to do it that way. Okay, and you will automatically be linked. Okay, then you can add some funds into your wallet. Okay, but before you start, you just have to go and add the extension. Okay, if you click on it once again, it's a reminder. All right, I already have this extension on my Google Chrome. This is a Chrome based platform, so everything will be on the Chrome. So you will see here, add to Chrome. Okay, I already have it here, so I don't have to do it once again. Okay, but if you do it the first time, you will just add it on into the Chrome, and that extension will be added on here. You just need to ping that inside the Chrome browser. Okay, and if you click on it, right, so there we go, that's the extension. And once again, if you click on it once again, that extension will follow you all the way through all those pages on any sort of it doesn't matter where you go, this Sniperoo will follow you. Okay, which is quite handy if you, for example, do some sort of trading. So let's say that you want to go into GMGN and you want to you're just browsing around, when it comes to the different coins available. There we go. This bot, Sniperoo, is actually following you. Basically means that you can have it on the right hand side. Definitely, it's very helpful because what you can do, you can copy the address. For example, here you paste in your address, and this address with this coin address will automatically be the Sniperoo will do some research on it. Okay, so it's gonna give you some crucial information about this whole coin. Okay, but the other thing is, when you want to go and buy it straight away, you can do it. The same with the Axiom Pro, right? So when you go to the Axiom, you definitely this Sniperoo will be following you here. Okay, on the right hand side. Let's say that you want to go and do some research on this particular coin. Okay, look, this little widget here will be also available here for you guys, and you can start trading right away on this one, right? Same when you go to for example to the X account. So you guys, when you go into the X account, okay, and let's say that on some X post will be address visible. Okay, this Sniperoo extension will automatically establish that this is a contract address, and will put that widget next to it. Okay, which enables you to give the straight away access to trade that particular coin. Okay, which is quite cool because because sometimes those informations are popping up very quickly, especially on Twitter, okay, and the speed is crucial here, okay, in this those type of trades, okay. So there you go, you have it available here. First, you can go and see if Sniperoo is following you on every possible page on that Chrome browser, okay. Unless you switch it off, okay, you close it, then it's going with you everywhere. Plus, they have the nice extensions like for the X account, for example. You can go on Axiom Pro, you've got this widget here, okay. On GMGN, you also have this buy buttons next to it, okay. And also, when let's say that you want to go and do some exploration on that particular coin or any coin, that similar widget is available here, the one which you can go see on the Axiom Pro. So I think, guys, this is quite cool, and it's really helping you out to start trading and making those trades, very sufficient, okay, because you don't have to go and worry about, let's say, going and taking the address, making sure that you do some research on it, okay, and pacing back and forth. You can start trading right away. Just click the buy button or even sell button, and now those trades will be automatically generated. Those trades will automatically go through that Sniperoo bot, right? When it comes to those widgets, okay, they are fully customizable. We can change the amount. Let's say that you want to go and try, you can buy for 0.3, okay, or do any changes, okay. And here you go, there are presets, okay. The same with the cells, right? So the same here, you can go on the GMGN. You can also do some different settings the way you prefer to do that, okay. Okay, so this is a strategy, okay. Strategy is also, you can do the manual trading, you can go simple auto sell, and and that's something which is available for you if you want to get more involved into it, right? So let's say transactions, okay, those transactions here giving you additional possibilities, and you can go and do some slippage adjustments. So for example, you want to go and stick with the 30% slippage, yeah, that's fine. But if you want to go and change it, let's say for 40% or even for 50%, that's up to you, and you can definitely go and do it, even 60% if you're expecting some hot going live, and you want to be one of the first who will be able to trade on that coin, okay. But I think 30% usually in most cases is very, very sufficient, okay. Also, guys, I just have to mention that this is not the financial advice, okay. So bear in mind that whatever I'm saying here is only for educational and entertaining purposes. So do your own research. You know the drill. It's nothing like it's a financial advice. I'm telling you what to buy, what to sell. Yourself. You have to do your own research. Everything is very risky, okay. So now sell settings, the same here. You can do your own adjustments. Dynamic JTO tip, okay. I think that's the best thing when it comes to those transaction settings, okay, because they actually using a dynamic JTO tip, right? So they don't use the priority fees, okay. They only use this JTO fee, okay. And JTO fee, it's something which you can go and take it from the latest JTO tips data, right? And they are updating that data in like every quarter, right? So every quarter of an hour, so every 15 minutes you have a new fees available here, okay, the most up to date. So let's say that you want to go with the slow transactions, okay. This is the one you want to go and use, right? So you can go here and you just simply paste it on, right? So let's say that you want to go like fast or turbo fast or way turbo, okay. Those type of GTOT available here. They are most up to date in last 15 minutes, and you just go and click and you just simply paste it, okay. If you're happy with all those transactions fees, you go and save it, okay. So there we go. So that's when it comes to those fees, right? Similar here, okay. You can do those transactions, before you do any transactions. Let's say that you want to do some deep research on any coin, okay. So let's go and let's say that we want to do some research. Let's go back to GMGN, okay. Once again, very cool. You got buy button next to it. Let's say that you are sure about some coin, okay. You just simply go and click next to it. You don't have to go let's say that you know something about the coin, or you have a good feeling that this coin might have a good, like, and do not encourage you just go and buy random coins, obviously, guys. You know what I'm saying. Like, you go, gives you additional boost. Well, let's say that you're in part of the group of the, I don't know, in the Discord or Telegram, and somebody is actually buzzing about the particular coin. You see that coin, so instead of going pasting and copy and pasting the address, you can go and simply go and buy it here, okay, straight from the platform. Very, very cool, okay. And Sniperoo is giving you that opportunity, right? So let's say that we want to go and this particular coin. Okay, so we copy the address of this coin. Okay, we're going back into the Sniperoo, we paste it in, and there we go. Here, like in a split second, you get a full information, about this particular coin, right? So if they are mint, if there's a freeze, if there's a change fee, okay, everything. Okay, a risk analysis, Sniperoo even giving you the risk analysis. Okay, so for example, this particular one, it's according to Sniperoo.app is, and it's showing as a good, right? So there is no risk found. Okay, so I think that's giving you some sort of overview, which is quite helpful when you do those transactions in the bulk. Okay, so I think it's something which some of you guys might really be interesting to have it on, right? So again, if you want to go, let's say that you want to GMGN, automatic you'll be redirected to the page. Okay, and you can go and start trading from the page. You can go and follow up to follow the chart, see what's going on, and decide on which point you want to enter, or you want to skip that particular one. Okay, so this is quite cool. Referrals, once again, okay, if you sign up through my referral link, I'll be leaving down below. You will get also, you can create your own link, like nobody is stopping you from doing so. Okay, you just need to go and click that link, put your code here, and remember, if you use mine, you will receive additional 5% discount. Okay, so but definitely go for it, and you can create your own links if you want to do it, right? Roadmaps and updates, there you go. We got a full documentations about it. Okay, I do encourage you to go and read it through. Okay, they are very, very cool, because they are always showing you what's in plan, what has been established. Like for example, this in March, is in progress still. Copy trading, expand, this is complete, like expanding trading tools. That's very cool. You always know what's going on and what's going to happen in the future. So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. It was more in-depth video about this whole Sniperoo platform. Okay, I am very happy with this platform, and I think it's one of the best out there. It's definitely the quickest, and also very, very cheap, right, in comparison to others. So guys, I think that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, leave it down below. If you have any comments, definitely, once again, leave it down below. Please like this video if you did, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.